Okay, it's a nice day here in Lembongan. Me and Hubert, we took the fast boat ferry to a smaller island on the east of Bali called Lembongan. It's in the middle of Nusa Penida and Bali. Yeah, it took us around 30 minutes or so to get here. So we're planning to stay here for 4 days. It was so fun to get here. We went by boat and there's these smaller trucks that people are seated sideways at the back. It was open cab pretty much, and they drop us off at different places. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go out to find some coffee and breakfast or brunch. This is the way to get to the B&B. As you can see here, there's many rooms. And in front of there's like cafe, which is pretty convenient. We didn't get the chance, well, I didn't get the chance to record anything yesterday because we went surfing and we left everything at the hotel, at the B&B, and it was just too hectic. Everything was wet, so it's just safer that way. But yesterday was super fun. It was a long way going to the surfing place itself because they have to look for a good wave and beginner wave for us to be safe. So they go on the other side of the island, and we ended up going there. It was like 11 of us. They got us a car to get there, and then we had to take a boat to go to the place. So it's like on top of corals, so we couldn't even stand up on the sand or anything. So that was my first time experiencing that. It took like an hour to get to the place itself. So yeah, starting at 12, we met up at 10, and then so much waiting around until 11. We didn't get there until 12-ish, and then we got back at 3. So yeah, it's a long day. So at that point, we just showered and rested a little bit before heading out for dinner again. But yeah, this is early in the morning, 7:15, 20. We're heading out for quick breakfast and walk to the place that we're supposed to meet up with this guy for snorkeling. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know if we're gonna get any footages or photos, but we'll see later. just walking on the beach after sunset, and this guy's following us. Oh, the other ones left us. Just gave him a little pat on the nose, and now he's ours. He doesn't touch. Good morning. It is almost 5 o'clock in the morning today. As you can see, it's pretty dark still outside. It's like completely black. The sun hasn't risen yet. We're waking up this early because we're taking a charter boat for fishing, and we're gonna meet up the captain, the guy that's gonna take us around 5:40 at the place. So yeah, super early for me to wake up. Oh, the light's kind of weird here. I'm just gonna sit there. But yeah, as I said, we're taking a charter boat and we're gonna meet up with the guy very soon. Yeah, I'm very excited. Though after yesterday's snorkeling trip, because we were on a boat and we hopped around spots. I'm just gonna go back inside because it's brighter. Yeah, so yesterday after the snorkeling trip, we actually got dropped off in 3 different places. So we were on a boat for a while. We were like pretty far off the shore, so I could already feel the motion sickness. So we both were very concerned about today's decision of chartering a boat, especially me. But Hubert got these patches. I don't know if you can see. It's called scopolamine patch. It's from the doctor for seasick. And it's so interesting when I looked it up because there is like a street drug called the same thing. I think it's the same thing, but this is just a very small dosage to help motion sickness. Can last for like 3 days apparently, so it's pretty potent. I just hope it works. But like word on the streets, this drug actually used pretty widely for like as a rape drug, something like that. But it was just interesting to read that last night. But yeah, I'm gonna try to bring this camera to the boat, or I'm just gonna use my phone, record stuff there. I don't know how much I could record. I don't want to get the camera too wet. I don't know what the situation is, but I'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and go. I'll see you on the boat. Okay, so I haven't been good updating because just been busy doing life. Last time you see me, I was at Lembongan, but 3 days ago we actually got back to Bali. We're staying in Ubud right now. It's been raining every morning. It's fine now. And yeah, we had 2 days of just being around Ubud and just walking around, shopping, stuff like that, sightseeing. Nothing too major because it's too hot, and it's just like, we both have sunburns and we got lazy, like going out. Every time we go out, we're just drenched and sweat, and I had to come back home and shower, and we just chill for the whole day in the room, just relaxing. But today we are going surfing again, going to the beach. Just finished surfing and we gojek to this place for food. Noodle place. It's the food that we got. Oh, I miss this. I've been craving for this noodle for a while. Got instant cinnamon tea. But yeah, I'll see what I can show you guys for the rest of Ubud for the rest of the week.